Here's how to convert WebM to MP4. I use an app called ConvertSave, and it's a drag and drop file converter. So you just drag in your WebM files, select your output, and go to MP4 and hit convert. And it saves it literally right next to wherever that file came from. So there's a link in the description or the pinned comment down below, or you can just go to convertsave.com. I actually created ConvertSave with my brother, who's a software developer, because I was sick of going to weird random websites to do all my file conversions. So we created this offline image, video, and audio file converter for Windows and Mac. And so check it out. Let me know if you find it useful, find it as a utility you might need. We also added this advanced tab right here where you can actually customize all the conversions. You can see the tool that's being used. You can even bring your own tools in the settings, and then you can go in and customize all of these different commands. And if you don't know what those are, we actually added this options builder here where you can change a bunch of the different preset commands and actually build out your own conversion, where you can do things like change the resolution of your video files, change the FPS, the codecs, add all these different filters and stuff. And if you're bringing in images, there's lots of resizing and cropping and different filters and effects on images as well that you can add to the conversion. So you can actually do more than just convert file types with ConvertSave. And that'll save for every individual conversion you're doing. So you could save it as like a preset and just convert with that every single time if you want a different default for your conversions. But that's an easy way to go from WebM to MP4 video. Thanks for your support, you guys. Let me know if you check it out in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.